Bonjour, ¿cómo ça va? Bienvenue dans la première vidéo de ce cours. Aujourd'hui, nous allons découvrir les alphabets français. Welcome to the first video of this course. Today we are going to learn about French alphabets. Les alphabets français. Les alphabets français. Like English, French language also has 26 alphabets, but with different pronunciations. The order remains the same like English. First is A, which is in English. In French, you will recite it as A, avion, which is airplane. B, bonjour. C, chat. D, drapeau. École. So इसको E नहीं बोलना है, it is A. F, fleur. Z, gâteau. H is ash, her. E, elon. Z, jardin. K, L, leave. M, maison. N, nuit. O, occasion. P, pain, which is bread. Q, quatre. R, rouge. S, soleil. T, téléphone. U, which is université. V, voiture, which means car. So W is W. Why W? Because if you will see, ये दो V से बना है, which is 2V. So V को हम बोलते हैं V, so it is W. X, xylophone. Y, yaud. Z, zeho. So these were the alphabets in French. Les alphabets français. Now let's talk about the French vowels. Les voyelles français. French language has 5 major vowels. A, E, I, O, U, which is A, E, O, U. And sometimes we also utilize Y, Y as a vowel in some phrases. But in majority of the cases, you have to use just 5 vowels. So let's see the 5 vowels. A, E, O, U, and the 6th one, Y. So these were the French alphabets and the vowels.